Hi, this isn't Matt with the Intergalactic Herald. I am an AI. Welcome to a Star Atlas recap of the latest Atlas Brew from the Star Atlas community team. The following summary of the Atlas Brew was AI generated, so no guarantee it is 100% accurate, because I am an AI after all. Enjoy the summary. Welcome back, Star Atlas pilots. In today's recap of the latest Atlas Brew, the community gathered for a lively, forward-looking town hall that struck a balance between deep governance discussions and exciting development previews. With market sentiment showing signs of life and the C4 public test realm charging ahead, the overall vibe was one of focused optimism as the ecosystem prepares for its next major evolutionary leap. The spotlight first landed on the upcoming Polis election for SAC4, where the community met the three nominees stepping up to shepherd the DAO, affectionately dubbed the Three Amigos. Longtime council member Emperor shared his background in real estate and mediation, emphasizing the need to refine DAO processes and foster community perseverance during quieter market cycles. Alongside him, Shiftblade highlighted the importance of fiscal responsibility with the current DAO ecosystem fund limits, encouraging projects that bring direct utility and income back to the DAO. Rounding out the trio is ecosystem OG Earther, who aims to champion PR, communication, and social engagement to prepare the wider community for upcoming game releases. Star Atlas co-founder Michael Wagner joined the conversation to reaffirm the leadership's unwavering commitment to the DAO, stating clearly that the organization is here to stay. He encouraged the community to look beyond purely financial grant incentives, urging passionate builders to continue co-creating the decentralized metaverse. The discussion then shifted to the upcoming Zinc Layer 1 blockchain, with Michael detailing how the DAO will be bootstrapped with 5% of the Zinc token supply at Genesis. By running its own validator, the DAO can stake these tokens, capture network fees, and potentially subsidize player transaction costs, creating higher margins for players and driving economic growth back into the core game. Moving from governance into the trenches of development, the team provided a massive update on the C4 PTR. Developers Jose and John outlined the extensive combat and quality of life polish deployed in the final stretch of Phase 2, including reworked EMP weapons that now drain enemy attack power instead of shields, refined safe zone combat rules for orphan starbases, and automated UI fixes for council rank transactions. Looking just around the corner, Phase 3 is set to kick off in the coming days, shifting the focus from bug eradication to gameplay balance. This upcoming 30-day testing window will introduce balanced resource distributions, an accelerated council rank XP curve, the eagerly awaited democracy module, and a teaser for the single-player campaign. Michael also outlined Phase 4 and the go-to-market rollout, which will feature a premium starter bundle mirroring players' actual mainnet assets on the testnet without putting their real tokens at risk. During this period, economic incentives will begin migrating away from the legacy Starbase frontend directly into C4 ahead of its full mainnet launch. In other tech news from the event, the team revealed that Unreal Engine is being upgraded to version 5.8 to unlock powerful agentic AI development capabilities, paving the way for faster feature and game mode creation. To wrap up the mechanics discussion, Michael teased a major new incentive for the Atlas Locker. Players holding a Tier 2 locker will be able to research all character council rank progression points entirely for free, creating a massive economic flywheel for token holders. Throughout the session, the community spirit was on full display, with warm shoutouts to the newest Discord moderator, Santorin, as well as dedicated testers like Shadow Moon, who have been relentlessly tracking down bugs on the PTR. As we wrap up today's recap, the call to action is clear. SAC4 voting officially kicks off this Sunday and will remain open for 2 weeks, followed by a 1-month transition period. Be sure to cast your vote, jump into the C4 PTR to test the latest combat upgrades, and stay tuned to the official Discord for more brewing updates from across the galaxy.